I'm often asked how I attach my pallet to my easel here, and I'll show you how. This is simply a piece of masonite. I cut a little notch here just to take off some of the weight, but it could be totally rectangular. Then I have a piece of glass here. I've used non-glare glass, just seems a little better for the purpose. Right here I have drilled a small hole in my easel, and I've drilled a hole here. So when this board sets on the area where I set my painting, I just line up these two holes, and with a small bolt, I just slide that right through the hole, attach it on the back, and that's all I need, just one bolt. And because that sets on the ledge, it really can't go anywhere, so that's really why it only needs one bolt. And the piece of glass is simply attached with a piece of tape. And one other thing I often do after I put my board on here, if there's any wind on here, these boards can blow over. And this bar doesn't always come down far enough. And sometimes it'll cast a shadow on the board. So I just have a carriage bolt, and I put that carriage bolt on here. Tighten it down some. That way it holds my masonite board from blowing over.